Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are focusing on the true powerhouse behind the Harmony experience, Aria. Aria isn't just a chatbot, it's a functional AI agent built directly into your canvas to help you build, design, and even troubleshoot in real time. Think of it as your partner. So let's look at how Aria changes the way we create and how it can help you create your dream site efficiently. So once you go to wix.com/harmony, the first thing you'll see is this chat field. Instead of searching through menus or templates, you can simply tell Ria what you want to create, and it'll create a site for you in just a few minutes based on the prompt that you input here. So once you're in the Harmony editor, you'll find Aria waiting for you here on the right. So instead of searching through menus for a specific tool, you can simply tell Aria what you want to do. Say, for example, you can ask it to set up a database for a certain something, change all your background to white, etc., and it'll execute the specific task you ask it to do instantly. All you have to do is just wait for it to load up. What sets Aria apart is that it acts like a digital assistant. This means it can navigate the editor on your behalf according to instructions. For example, if you're tired of manually adjusting margins, or say, for example, you'd like to adjust the corner rounding of all of your buttons, you just click on your button, tell it to do what exactly you want it to do. Analyzes the layout and applies professional design principles to your content without you moving a single slider. All you have to do is wait until it finishes its magic. It's like we asked it to do, it set our corner rounding for all our buttons to 10%. All we did was wait. One of the best things about the Harmony editor is that you can focus on your creative workflows instead of being overwhelmed by all the tools. Because of its simple user interface, you'll get to focus only on what you're working on. So when you click on an element, relevant tools on the action bar will appear. So if you click on a text or a text element, only relevant tools related to customizing your text will appear. Same goes for images and buttons, and so much more. Beyond layout, Aria is also an expert copywriter. You can select a paragraph and ask to make it sound more professional. Generate something catchy. Simply select the text you want to work on, input your prompt over here. Aria will generate it for you. It's integrated into the Wix Harmony ecosystem. It already understands your site's brand and tone, ensuring everything it creates feels cohesive. And there you have it. To sum it all up, Aria is like having a lead designer and a technical assistant sitting right next to you, taking care of most of the work so that you can stay in your creative flow. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. That's all for today, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.